Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find the URL of a specific page in Wix. This is useful when we want to share a direct link to a page or use it for marketing and navigation purposes. Now let's get started on the Wix dashboard. Once we are in the Wix editor, all we need to do is click on the page in the upper left part of the dashboard. From here, we choose which page we want to find the URL for. For example, let's use the privacy and policy page. To find the URL for this page, we simply click the three dots and then go to Settings. Under Settings, we go to SEO Basics. Here, we can see the URL. We can also change it if needed. This is where we locate the URL. If we want to find the URL for a product page, we just click the three dots again and go to Settings, then open SEO Basics. The URL of the page is shown right here. And that's how we find the URL of a specific page in Wix.